Next step, once you rent your office or company location, you need to fill out the online registration. After you fill in the form online, you will gather the necessary documents and take them to the commercial and industrial bureau. But the first thing is to register online. There is a file PDF or a guide that can help you with the steps. Take Shenzhen as an example. Each city or region is a bit different. We go through the company registration page, and this window will show up. There are many services listed here. Click the blue box to register. This registration requires a Chinese ID card. If you don't have one or no Chinese assistant, you can skip online registration. But if you proceed online, this first window will appear, followed by this list. Click the blue box here. You will select the company type and choose between those two options. Follow the instruction. If registering a 100% foreigner-owned company, proceed here, continue here. There are instructions. Take 30 seconds to read them before moving to the next step. Let's wait 30 seconds. Now is 10 seconds left. As I mentioned in the guide, select the first option. Then next. This step lets you pick a company name. For example, I will enter Sami. Then the verification code and click next. There is a list of registered company under Sami name will appear. Not all are import and export. Some are in AI, electronic, and so on. Since this is an import and export example, you will notice option 2 is an old company, Sami Import and Export Trading. If there is an issue or you want a different name, go back and pick an used one. Next, select the company type, agriculture, restaurants, and so on. We choose the import and export. To save time, type trade and pick the last option, import and export. Now the company name Sami appear. If there is warning or error, a red message will show. Copy and translate it if you don't know Chinese. This warning says the name is already taken by someone else. Do you want to change it or continue? In this case, if you are building brand, pick a unique name. But for import-export service, similar names aren't a big issue. Now click next. As I said, review the guide and select option 2 for company type. Now click next. Here you will format the name. It can start with the city, then your name, then import export, or your name first, then the city. It's up to you. Next, set the capital amount. No strict rule, but if you applying for visa, it's the best to exceed 100,000 RMB or more than 10,000 US dollar. For export import, even 1,000 US dollar, it's fine. For example, I'll enter 10,000 RMB, then select the currency, usually Chinese yuan for Chinese companies. Lastly, enter the company addresses. We covered this in the video after renting an office or warehouse. Register it here. For this example, I will enter the random address. For example, Fengxian Road 101 and so on. Now, with the capital currency and address set, click next. Here enter the investor. Here click the name, details, name as in passport, and so on. The person address doesn't need to be in China. Only the company address matters. If there is a mistake, delete it and re-enter. From here on, I can't continue further, but the final step, you can see it at the guide. After this, click agree and you will move forward. As I say, I cannot continue now. You will get a message. This name regional companies in Guangzhou, Shenzhen, marketing, furniture, AI, and so on. Click no issue with this, and now click agree and this message appear. After this step, I can't go further. The guide explains the rest. It's simple. This list appear. Fill out this highlight form. It's basic information, no difficulty. After submission, continue to the next step. Print these documents. These printed appear are what you will submit to the commercial period. These printed appear are what you will submit to commerce period. Bring your passport and these documents. You will also need to book an appointment. Print the appointment notice and then bring it. Finally, congratulations, your company is registered. Here is the license symbol. Good morning. Today is the day to submit the documents. The process we started online. Once you print the forms you filled out, you will handle them over at one of these windows here, and then it's just a few official steps, some signature, and they will check everything is correct. After that, just wait for a message saying your license is ready. The whole process took us only 2 hours. The staff here are really helpful. You get everything done. We finish the paperwork, handle it in, and the great thing is they even have a free computer. You can use it to fix anything if you made any mistake in your form. It takes about 2 hours, maybe even an hour or an hour and a half. The good thing about Shenzhen is that you get your business license and handle tax stuff all in one place. They do everything for you. No need to go one place for the license and the other for taxes. And they even give you a free company stamp. All this is free. You don't pay a single cent. Unlike other areas like Jiangsu, for example, there you have to go one office to get the license, another for taxes, and pay out for the company stamp and stuff. But here, totally different. Now I understand why Shenzhen is so fast and advanced. Good city, it's really saved you a lot of time.